Neptune were the first to market krill oil back in 2003. So Michael, can you talk us through Neptune's story?
Well, actually, it's quite a story. It was discovered by a University of Sherbrooke. We're basically a spin-off of University of Sherbrooke, where often research program comes from. And Neptune invested, financially in buying the license from the University of Sherbrooke to market eventually what we call today krill oil. We were the first one to basically extract krill oil and to build our own platform, because at the time, unfortunately, we could not really go anywhere else because the way we extract krill oil is unique. We have a patented extracting method that is quite unique and makes the product quite different. So the story is University of Sherbrooke started the whole thing, and we basically took it from there and put the product on the market and eventually made what we know today as krill oil.
And how do you keep your source of krill oil sustainable?
Well, actually, there is already a CAMLAR, which is an organization that monitors the biomass, in Antarctica. Greenpeace is on it. There's 28 countries. The biomass is quite monitored. We only really fish a very tiny, small amount. Not even, the quota is not even harvested to about the most 2% of the quota is harvested. So it's a 450 million ton biomass, and it's quite sustainable. It's probably the fastest replenishing type of biomass you can find in the human nature.
Well, that's very good to hear, and I hear that Neptune have quite a lot of certifications as well. Can you tell us a bit about those?
We do. Like most, well-known or a strong organization, we're GMP. Obviously, you need to be GMP in this business, good manufacturing practice. We have halal certification, which not too many company can have, using a different type of extraction method, because ours is an acetone base, so we have no ethanol, allowing us to cater to the halal certification. We have a FOS, front of the sea certification, which also obviously is a certification, an environmental certification, which you have to show good practice. You're basically audited and monitored in terms of how you basically harvest krill oil and how you basically conduct yourself as a corporate citizen.
Perfect. So where do you see Neptune going over the next few years?
Well, the market has changed quite a bit. Neptune has been in it now for almost 11 years. We are developed towards condition specific. We're taking krill oil at another level. Basically finding actives that are really complementary with krill oil. In other words, trying to get more claims using krill oil as a vehicle to basically synergize with other active, making them, for instance, more bioavailable. Like, for instance, we have 3 new condition specific which we're featuring here this week. They're basically based on our fundamental active krill oil, and we've added other ingredients such as our active, such as CoQ10 or lutein or vitamin D3, to basically extend the benefit of krill oil. Because krill oil, the way Neptune has built is phospholipid krill oil, we have shown that in terms of bioavailability, our phospholipids are extremely good carrier. Why? We have a very strong bond between the EPA, DHA, and antioxidant. What makes us different also is obviously the level of antioxidant called astaxanthin that we have in our product versus others which don't have as much as esterified, and this is mainly due because of our extracting system.
Michael, that's very interesting. Thank you so much, and do make sure that you pay Neptune a visit as well. Get involved on Twitter also with the hashtag HIEurope. Michael, thank you very much.